For this video, we are going to have a tutorial for Apollo.io. So we'll be diving into how to use Apollo.io to supercharge your sales and marketing efforts, whether you are a sales rep, marketer, or a business owner. Apollo.io, a powerful tool that can help you find prospects, enrich your data, and automate your outreach. So let's get started. First, just log into Apollo.io, and you can use the link that I have in the description down below. And if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for a free trial to get started. So once you are logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is this section right here. And here you can see an overview of your activities, your recent searches, and more. So let's explore the main features of Apollo.io, and we'll start with the prospect tab. So in the prospect under right here, go to the search option, and you can search for the leads based on various criteria such as the job titles, company size, the industry, location, and more. So this helps you target your ideal customers more effectively. So for example, as you can see, I already have here, I just searched for a marketing manager located or marketing managers in tech industry located specifically in San Francisco Bay Area. So you can see how many results match your criteria and filter them further if needed. So this is the exact number for your prospects. And you can also add more filters if you want to. So you have all this list, the persona, email status. So you can go with the verified if they are verified here in Apollo. Or you can go with likely to engage for the sequences to be more likely effective, and they'll be able to engage with your email. So that's that. And once you have your list of prospects, you can save them to a list for future outreach. So simply select prospects that you want, just like so, and then click on this save button right here. Then they'll be able to, or then you'll be able to see those lists in the section right here. So it's a save list. So now let us move on to the Engage tab. So under the Engage tab, you have three sections. You have sequences, emails, and calls. So let us go with the sequences. And in this section, this is where you can create sequences. So sequences are like automated email and call workflows designed to engage your prospects. So let's create a new sequence by clicking on to create new sequence button on the upper right corner of your screen, and you have these different options for you. So you have AI assisted, pre-formatted, clone, and from scratch. So for this tutorial, we are going with the scratch, and then what you can do is to name your sequence. For example, book meetings or send emails to prospects. Here you go, and you can add your schedule if you want to, but I'm going with the normal business hours and click create. Now what you need to do is to add steps for your sequence. So this can be emails, calls, LinkedIn messages, or tasks. So let's start with email. Click this add step right here. So as I said earlier, you have these options. So let us go with automatic email, and you can also decide when you want to start this step. So I'm going with this and continue. And then now, this interface will appear on your screen after you have done that. And this is where you'll need to craft your email. So you need to personalize it with placeholders like the recipient's first name and company, and just set the timing for it when it should be sent. So I'm going to show you a sample email. And there you go. As you can see, I already have the body or the subject for my email. So what I'll need to do is to edit the detail of my emails. So let us go and change some of that. So for this one, I am going to add some variables. So for this one, I'm going to click on to this add dynamic variables right here and click company. So for example, Google right here, it says Google. And then I'm just going to delete the first one. And then for the name, also I'm going to do that. Click on to the variables and hit first name. So I'm going to delete again the first one. So as you can see right here, hi example. And then you can also do that for all of your details that you can see here in the variable. So for the variables, you have basics, custom, and advanced. So just pick whatever works best for you or whatever applies to your needs. So that's that. And once you are satisfied with what you have, you can just click the save button for your step to be saved. And you can also send a test email to yourself if you want to, and highly recommend this. So then you'll be able to see the format of your email before sending that to your prospects. So now let's save this one. Click that, and you can add multiple steps to your sequence, such as follow up emails and calls to ensure you stay top of mind with your prospects. So let us do that in here. So click again, add step, automatic email, and going to set it 2 hours after the previous step. So the previous step means that this refers to the step that we have created earlier. So I'm going with 3 days after the previous step, hit continue, and I'm going to now create. And now I have this as my email in my steps, which this should serve as a follow-up emails for my previous step. Now let us tweak the informations again. Then there you go. You already have your follow-up email set up. So again, if you're already satisfied with what you have, you just need to hit this save button right here. So it says right here, day 3, automatic email, and for your day 6, they'll send this follow-up email to your prospects. Now I'm just going to teach you how you can utilize the AI integration here in Apollo IO. So I'm going with 6 days, and then let us go with this one. So instead of manually creating or typing your email, you have this option right here, which is situated on the right part or right side bar of your screen. So you just need to fill in your informations, your company name or product name, company overview, customer pain points, value proposition, call to action, and additional context if you want to. So I'm just going to fill this one real quick. After filling in all of the required information on the section, you just need to click this generate button situated on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then wait for the result. Now you have here the subject line or subject line 1, subject line 2, and you can opt to use personalized openers if you want to do that. So you have here some options. So you have body 1 and body 2 also. So you just need to select from your options right here. So I'm going with the subject line 2, and then for the body, now I just need to select for the body. I'm going with body 1. So you can just also tweak some informations that you want to change right here if you want to do so. And by the way, you can include your signature if you have signature here set up in Apollo IO. You just need to select or check this option, and if you don't want to do that, just uncheck that option. Now, if you're satisfied with what you have, click save again, or you can again test or send a test email to yourself. So I'm going with save, and then there you go. There have 3 steps for my sequence. So now I'm going to assign some of my prospects to my sequence. So I'm going to do that by going on to the prospect section again, going with the search. Now, just going to fill in or to check and select the prospects that I have here. So with the same filters that I have earlier, then I have all of these prospects that I can send or add them to my sequence. So I'm going to add before that, I'm just going to add this filter. So I'm going with the verified for the email status. So that will narrow down more the prospects that I have. So if I want again to save these prospects to my sequence, I'm just going to select them by checking the boxes beside the prospect's name, and then going to click onto the sequence section or button and select add to existing sequence. Then you'll need to tweak some of the informations right here. You have an option to send your sequence or to send your emails to verified email only. So make sure, I recommend you rather to select this one. And also you can include mobile and direct numbers if you want to. So you have add to list or add to sequence, and then you can also export as CV if you want to. And now click save contacts. So going to do that. Now, after doing that, make sure that your sequences are enabled on your section right here, or you need to activate them. If you didn't activate your sequence, then your emails won't be sent to your prospects. Apollo IO also integrates with various CRM systems, allowing you to sync your data and keep your workflow seamless. So you can set this up or set this integration up in the settings tab. So go to the settings, which should be situated on the up or lower left corner of your screen, and then go to the integrations section. And finally, don't forget to explore the Enrich tab. This is where you can enhance your existing data with additional information such as the contact details, social profiles, and more. This can be particularly useful for keeping your CRM up to date and ensuring your sales team has all the information they need. And so that's it for this video. We have covered how to find and save prospects, create and automate outreach sequences, analyze your campaign performance, and enrich your data. So again, Apollo IO is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your sales and marketing efforts. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.